everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, so like I said last time, in today's video I'm gonna make some sneakers for little Kaylee. It's just easy way for me that I use. I'm just gonna use this tablet pole holder. Just measure it with her feet and say, okay, it's the perfect size for her feet to go in, and then I just cut it out as close to the rim as possible. You see, and then it'll just use a little piece of cardboard, this black foam, that rubber foam, whatever, and then I'm going to use a little piece of leather. You can use anything you like, but I want some silver sneakers for her, and then I'm just going to use this silver and black ribbon. Also, that you can use anything you like. So yeah, make those shoes. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to put the foot in the little cup and put some glue on a piece of cardboard. It's just to give it some more strength, because the glue tends to melt plastic. And just put the foot, press it down in there, so let it cool down. Okay, so when it's cold, you just also cut the cardboard as close to the little holder as possible. Okay, for the foot part that you're gonna, all I did was just put the foot on the fold of the material you're going to use, and just with a Kogi trace around it. And then the same as here, I just put the foot on here, and just go around like I thought the size for the foot must be to make that one. So yeah, and then this one you just cut out. And there you go, there is the parts for the sneaker. So then I just put the foot back in the cup again. I'm gonna start with the front one. Just put some glue. Oh, okay. Just put some glue in the middle here at first, and then with the middle of this as well. Put it there on the rim. And then on the sides. Just so it fits close over the foot. And then you just cut off the excess. Okay, and put it back on the foot again. Now for the back side, also start by the middle of the foot at the back, in the middle of this. Just put a little glue there in the middle. And then on the side, and this shoe almost finished. And then just with the foam, also I keep it foot in there, and just put a little glue smeared on the foam, and that just press the foot down in that foam as well. Hold it in till it cools down. Okay, so when it's dry, you'll cut this also close to the shoe as possible. Okay, so for the laces, I'm just going to use this ribbon and just like, well, army lace. Okay, and these Kaylee's cute new sneakers, adorable. So let's see, put it just on for her now. And there you go, cute. Okay, hope you like this video, and then see you until next time. Bye.